He's gone. There's more. Once another one comes, it's a wrap. There we go, the other one. Yes. Oh, this is great.
They're gonna knock over the box before you even fucking get to trap one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, come on, it's okay. You too. Don't be bashful. Get in there. Get in there, dude. Get in there. Go ahead. Yes. There we go. We got us a sucker, dude. We got us a sucker. We got us a sucker. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Go on in there.
They act like they're going in, but then they stop.
No, they're gonna go, dude. They're gonna run out of shit, and they ain't got a choice. It's like nothing happening. They get all the time in the world. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, one of those Cornish game hens ready.
Here we go. Here we go. We're going in there. Here we go. Come on. Oops.
Oh shit! I missed it.
Yeah, they're gonna run out. They're gonna want to go in there. Delicious.
Wait till it goes all the way under.
Here we go. We got one sampling. Yep. Oh yeah, it's okay in here, guys. Come on in.
Little more.
Come on in. Come on in. Oh, oh. Go on. Get in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get cozy. Get cozy.
Wait.
Wait for it.
You either going to catch one, not catch one, or kill one.
No, no killing. No animals
Yeah, that's
were hurt
mean.
during the
Well, it
filming
might
of
be
this
heavy
video.
enough to where it might catch their neck or something.
Oh yeah, look at the one.
Almost.
Look at the one.
Go, go, go.
It's not in there. It's not in there.
They playing you.
No, they're not, dude.
That's how they do it.
These are Las Vegas pigeons. Stay up to game.
They're not up to game, dude. They're gonna have to go in there. Here in a second, they're gonna have to go in there. No.
That one's an asshole chasing everybody off and shit. Pecking them and shit.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got it coming then. He had it coming.
They're all, you motherfucker. Give me some of that. You see him? It goes after him.
Yeah, it's okay, guys.
See?
This
He's a
asshole,
fucking
dude.
prig.
Yeah, there you go up underneath there.
Oh, that was his tail.
Yeah, come on, tough guy. Get in there. Get in there. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. He'll get in there.
He's too
He's
busy
gonna
with
get
the other
carried away.
fuckers.
He's gonna get carried away here in a second. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. It's okay in there. Almost. Oh, he was in there too, dude.
Oh,
He's comfortable. He's comfortable.
in there.
Almost.
He's comfortable.
In there.
Almost
Yeah,
there.
there is-
Oh,
that was it. He's gonna do it again. Yeah, that's his spot now.
Yep.
That's his spot.
He's in there.
Here he is.
You fucking got him.
He's in there.
You got a bird in there? Yep, he's in there.
Get it. Yeah. What's up, dude? Huh? Who's getting played? Hold on. Oh, we closed the door. What are we gonna name him?
Chicken.
What are we gonna name this?
Name him Chicken. You're free. Fly
Now
away.
y'all killed it.